You are watching Kit Kabinet, and this is the in-box review of the RS Models Bloch MB-151 in 1/72 scale. This is a short run kit from RS Models, and it's a great improvement over the old Heller kit. So let's have a look inside. Sprues, of course. Let's have a closer look here. We have some, let's see if it will focus, some really nice engraved panel lining. And included are both the cowling styles, also for the 152 version, but this is the 151 version, so that uses this cowling. There's some wheel well detail here even, and the fuselage equally nicely detailed. Choice in spinners and some cockpit sidewall detail here. Now the old Heller kit, which was very nice but a bit of a product of its time, didn't have a cockpit at all. You could like look straight through the canopy, through the wheel wells outside. And this one does have a cockpit, so that's a nice addition. Here's the cockpit floor, instrument panels. Yeah, looking very good. Resin parts and transparencies. Let's have a closer look at the engine. This is very, very nicely molded. Yeah, great detail, and you'll need that especially with the open cowling of the 151 version. You'll be able to see everything. So it's good that it's a nicely detailed engine. And some antennas and a control column, which is also very delicately detailed. Hope you can even see this. And there's of course a lot of flash, but that can be easily dealt with. The transparencies, the canopy has already come off, so let's have a look here. The canopy looks good enough. It looks a bit frosted. Maybe some a toothbrush with some toothpaste and then a bath of future will help in the transparency. And it's distorting a little bit, not much, but it is noticeable. But you'll have to decide for yourself if it's acceptable. And the other transparency is your gun sight, right there. The decals, yeah, as with all RS decals, these look also very nice, nicely in register, nice and colorful. So yeah, it's a nice decal sheet. Ta-da. The instruction sheet with a story in Czech. Okay. Your sprue map. And well, apart from that it's a short run model kit, which often has no positioning pins, and also this one doesn't have any positioning pins, so you don't need to take care during assembly. But for the rest it looks like a regular standard kit build. Yeah, pretty straightforward. And here we are already at the end in the adverts. Ah, yeah, there's one thing. The engine is indeed mounted at an angle. So if you're like, oh, what the hell is this this strange fit? It's supposed to be at an angle of 2.5 degrees. It's also in the instructions. They were offset to the port side. And some nice color profiles on the back of the box. You have a nice choice. Here's one from 1940 during the invasion. A Vichy version with the yellow-red stripes. A Greek version, very interesting. And Beuteflugzeug from that the Germans captured. So all in all, I think this is a very promising kit, and yes, very much an improvement over the old Heller kit that used to be like the main thing to get when this one wasn't available. But this one features recessed panel lining, it has a cockpit and a very nicely detailed engine. So there's your choice.